Hi guys, how can you create glowing text around a subject in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, select the lasso tool and make a rough selection around your subject. Go to Select, Modify Expand, and set the expand value to around 40 pixels. Click OK. Then go to Select Modify Smooth and set the sample radius to 40 pixels. Press OK. Right-click inside the selection and choose Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 2.0 pixels and click OK. Now select the Text tool horizontal type tool. Then click on the path and type your text or add the random Photoshop text. Select Move tool. Then go to Open Layer Style. Enable Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings to your preference and choose the rolling slope descending contour for a smoother glow effect. If needed, adjust the opacity to make the glow stronger or softer. You can also change the text color to any color you like. I'll use a cyan color for a neon glow, but feel free to experiment with different colors. And that's it. Before a normal image. After, stylish glowing text wrapped naturally around the subject. That's how you can create a glowing text around a subject in Photoshop.